There it is. The beast is here. She's plugged in. All I need to do. You want history? First button press on this bad boy. An Acer E17, an Aspire E17. Touchpad. See this right here? GeForce Core i5. I could have gone i7, but at the budget it was. This cost me $800, period. I am happy in my head place. 8 gigabytes RAM. I've got this at Costco. But never mind that shit. It's the first time ever. This 17-inch screen, badass. Hey, shut up, Manny. I know. Press the button. Push the button, Frank. Well, that just feels good.